Okay, welcome folks. We are going to use MLS to track down properties that are actively in foreclosure with the new Tax Record 360 search function that just went live this year. Okay, so we're going to hit the search bar here, tax record. On other MLSs like Central Texas, it will say public record. Now, this is basically integrating data that is part of Relist and merged it with MLS is the viewpoint here. What you can also do down here is you can add additional fields, and that is how I got all my fields down here to populate. You just go into here, do that real quick, hit add, click add remove, and then just punch through everything you feel that's pertinent, or you can hit all fields just by Control Shift down arrow, boom, hit add, and you will get as many search options as you'd like. Obviously, since I have mine populated, I'm going to get the red reject line here. Hit the back button. Now let's get into this. So over here, I'm selecting counties. So Williamson, Travis, Bell. Okay. Now hit actively in foreclosure. This is one of 3 phases. And it'll take a second to populate down here. Okay. Now, let's see if we click results if that will actually gel anything. It's going to be quite a list because a lot of things hit default. 1741. Now, let's say I'm looking only for February. Go back to criteria as soon as this wants to load. It's a lot of data. I have one of my initial fields right here. So it's the first Tuesday of every month for the state of Texas. Boom, 98 matches. Now we're going to go directly at the file here and point this out. There are a lot of great websites to pull foreclosure data. The Rowdy report is probably by far and away my favorite. But here, this is the display grid dashboard, or you can actually create your own custom displays by going to settings and fiddling around with that. But for today, let's just look at what we have. So we have, let's get all 98 results up here. Boom, and this was for 3 counties, Bell, Travis, and Williamson County. Now let's just click on one of these guys. When we click the PID here, it will actually bring up their what looks like relist in here. Notice of sale, boom. And unlike other pre-foreclosure data, when you throw in the auction date, it actually will filter down stuff that has an active TS file number, which gives you some ideas where the file is at with the trustee. And you'll be able to pull up that info all right in here. This has been a quick tip. Chris Burrow.